Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to, and then hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung device and receive right next to Send at the bottom of S25 Ultra. Also on Samsung smartphone, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it? In here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and hit Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!